Hello there guys, welcome to Gaming Basics, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to add friends on EA Sports. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. In order to add friends, first you'll need the EA app. If you don't have an EA app, go check out my previous video on how to get EA app. On your EA app, hover your mouse to the right side of the screen and a menu should pop up. In this menu you can see your profile and your friends, and you can see a little button right here to add friends. Just click on it and type in your friend's username. Now once you type in your friend's username, your friend's profile should show up. After you find your friend's profile, just click on add beside it. Now your friend request has been sent to your friend. You just have to wait until he or she accepts it. And that's how you add friends on EA. But if you have any confusion, just leave your queries in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.